Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aina Salsa Bilia Putri, and today I will do practice pronunciation sound of vowels. First, E, busy. I am busy last night. Number second, E, key. Have you seen my key? Number third, new. I have learned new things. Number fourth, uh. Can you push the left door? Can you push the left door? Number five, ah. My brother bought a new car last month. Number six, ah. Can I have your number phone? Can I have your number phone? Number seven, oh. O'clock. Korean class is started on 7 o'clock. 8, oh. I thought you like flower. Number 9, any. Do you have any book about psychology? Number 10, A. I saw he grabbed the flower. 11, arrive. I'm going to Bandung and I will arrive on 7 gate. 12, first. I think you must study first. Number 13, ear. Anybody here? Anybody here? Number 14, air. I work at the Korean warehouse. Number 15, A. I am 18 years old. I'm 18 years old. Number 16, I. Buy. Why you buy 2 phone case? Number 17, oh. Can you hear my voice? Can you hear my voice? Number 18, oh. Would you come to my party on Sunday? Number 19, ow. How much photo card that you have? How much photo card that you have? And that's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.